this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create neon light effect in Photoshop. First, take any background image such as a wall. I downloaded this image from pexels.com, the link is in description. Let's begin. Go to Adjustment Layer and select Levels. Slide this left point to right to darken it. Go to Layers. Then again go to Adjustment Layer and select Hue, Saturation. Decrease the lightness by dragging the pointer to left until you get your desired result. Go to Layers again. Select Type tool and choose your preferred font and type whatever you want. Select Move tool and press Ctrl T to increase the size of the text and then press Enter when it's done. Double click on text layer to open Layer Style window. Click on Bevel and Emboss. Style should be inner bevel. Technique Smooth. Depth should be 350 to 400. Direction Up. Size should be around 10 and soften 1 or 2. Shading angle should be around 140 degree. And altitude around 50. Highlight mode should be linear light and opacity around 30. Shadow mode also should be linear light and opacity around 50. Now go to Outer Glow. Blend mode should be linear light. Opacity 100%. Noise 0. Select your preferred color. Technique Softer. Spread should be 0. And adjust the size. Then click OK. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of this text layer. Right click on this new layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter. Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur. And then click OK. Now select Type tool. Select any font and type another text. Select Move tool and press Ctrl T to transform it. Press Enter when it's done. Now press Alt and click on the effects of previous text layer and drag it to the new text layer to copy the same effects to new layer. Double click on this new text layer to open Layer Style. Go to Outer Glow and change the color. Click OK. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur. Click OK. Now select Polygon tool. Shape should be selected and fill should be no color. Sides should be 3 to create a triangle. Now click and drag to create a triangle. Double click on this shape layer. Select Stroke. Increase stroke size. Select Fill Type to Gradient. Click on Gradient Colors. Double click on left slider and use Dropper tool to select first color from the text. Now double click on right slider and select second color. Slide left slider to somewhere middle. Do the same with right slider. Click OK. Right click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Right-click again and select Rasterize Layer. Now select a razor tool and delete the triangle areas which are overlapping the text. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of it. Go to Filter and then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur and click OK. It's done. Subscribe and keep learning.